What's up, y'all, and welcome to a special shelter-in-place unboxing episode. So today, I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing a wireless microphone system that was shipped to me by Fifine. Now, this is not a sponsored video, and they aren't paying me to review this, so I'm going to unbox it, review it, and give you my honest opinion about the system. Before this, I had purchased and have been using the Rode Wireless Go microphone system, which has worked well for me. It'll be interesting to see how the Fifine, which is 3 times cheaper at $50.99 on Amazon, compares. Stay tuned to find out. Today, we're going to be taking a look at what I think is one of the most affordable wireless microphone systems that I've seen so far. Fifine Technologies reached out to me and asked if I could take a look and review their K037B wireless microphone system, which retails for about $50 on Amazon, just to see how it compares to some of the more expensive systems like the Rode Wireless Go, which is what I'm using right now. So let's unbox this real quick, set it up, and see how it compares. Alright, so as you saw in the unboxing, the K037B Fifine system comes with a few components. First things being the transmitter and a receiver. Again, this is a wireless system, which most of us prefer because it gives us the freedom and the flexibility to move around without any kind of restrictions. Both the receiver and the transmitter are battery operated and require 2 AA batteries for the transmitter and 2 AAAs for the receiver. My first bit of feedback is probably for this. I don't know if I'm excited about having to constantly replace batteries, especially having to keep 2 sizes of batteries, AA and AAA. It would have been a lot better if it was one size, and even better if the system was rechargeable. But given the price, that of course is not a reasonable expectation. I also haven't had this long enough to test the actual battery life, so more to come on that. The receiver and the transmitter are for the most part made of a thin hollow plastic, which probably lends to the cheaper cost of the system, but still seems very durable nonetheless. What's nice about the system though, is that it comes with both a lavalier mic, as well as a headset mic, which is pretty comfortable and lightweight to wear. although from a filming perspective, I don't know when I would use the headset. From a quality perspective, I'm currently using my Rode Wireless Go microphone system, and this is what it sounds like with no kind of audio editing. And if I were to switch to my Fifine system for the next few minutes of this video, this is what it would sound like also without any kind of audio editing. I won't necessarily be able to comment on the quality of the audio since I'm recording this real time, but I would assume it will sound somewhat different. To test the range and quality at different distances, I'm going to be walking off camera and even outside to see how good this mic is. In one of my previous videos, I did a similar test with my Rode Wireless Go system, and I was able to walk downstairs from my studio and into the backyard. So let's see if this Fifine wireless system has a similar range capability. As you can see, I'm currently about an arm's length away from my camera where the receiver is plugged in. Now, I'm going to step into the next room to see if walls impact the wireless signal and quality. I am currently in my upstairs living room, and let's see if the signal quality is impacted at all. I'm now walking down the stairs into the first floor of my house to test if the different levels affect the quality of the audio. And as I continue to walk, I'm walking even further across the kitchen to the downstairs living room to see if the signal drops or degrades. And now I'm walking across the living room, and now walking to the back door to see if the quality is still the same. Opening the door and walking into the backyard. I am now in the backyard, which is about 20 yards from the stairs next to my office. Now I'm coming back up the stairs to the second floor and back to the upstairs living room, returning to the studio office. And again, back in front of the camera itself. So based on that mic test, it's apparent that you'll probably have to do some audio editing to get the sound quality to a standard level suitable for playback, but that isn't too big of a problem. The Fifine microphone definitely picks up a lot of ambient sounds and has an echoey, almost hollow tone, but for the price, I think the wireless mic works really well. I only experienced a little interference, and it can definitely transmit over large distances and through interference such as walls. For the price, you get a lot more than you would get from more expensive wireless microphone systems. I also can't complain about the customer support. They've been very responsive and always replied to my emails within minutes. As for usage, who is the target market for this device? I would say new film and video makers like myself. However, I did splurge and purchase the more expensive Rode wireless system for 4 times as much. But I think this wireless system from Fifine is great for most filmmakers who are on a budget or just starting out. It's a little bit bulkier, but does serve the purpose, and with a little post-recording audio editing, you can achieve the same level of quality as the more expensive systems. The Fifine system doesn't have that many features and is your standard no-frills wireless audio system, but with a price that is super affordable. If you're just starting out and are looking for an entry-level system that is both wireless and affordable, but don't mind doing a little bit of post-recording editing of your audio, I would recommend the K037B system from Fifine. They definitely did do a great job delivering a good quality product at an unbeatable and affordable price. If you are in the market and interested in purchasing a set for yourself, I did leave a link below to the K037B on Amazon, which is where you can buy it, and at the same time also support my channel. I'll definitely be using the K037B system for my future videos, along with my other microphones and wireless mics. And as I continue to use it, I'll leave feedback and updates on how it works over time. And if there's any specific questions you have about it, please leave me a note in the comment section below. Until next time, thanks for watching.